From Russ Jones, How to 3x Your Final Expense, an annuity production using niche widow leads and wealth investors. How I averaged 15 to 17 interviews per week. The secret is using niche widows leads age 65 and over, using my unique pink postcard I used for over 20 years in California. Send them in a small neighborhood so the niche widows I couldn't get on the phone, I would call on 15 to 20 per day and offer my Peace of Mind kit and emergency card for their wallet. Then I offered to complete and put on file with their favorite funeral home, which was part of my presentation. For investors, I would mail my postcard for annuities or million-dollar term plans to professionals in my favorite counties. I can get you 2,000 niche widow leads in your favorite zip codes and 1,000 wealthy investors for just $595 on special for $397. Or 2 payments of $197. For your information, when I was younger, I wrote 55 widows for final expense in October and won a trip to Hawaii. Lots of small policies. Plus, I would hand deliver their final expense plans. Check out my website at http://www.finalexpensemillionaire.com/P2S. I made $1.2 million in renewals using this system. It still works today, according to some of my clients.